There'll be some birds coming into the feeders down here.
One of the main purposes of the program is to compare the breeding bird populations in Ohio now with the populations that were here 25 years ago.
Yeah, we'll park here and get out.
Oh, okay.
Walk around a bit.
Let's see if we can look for the signs of breeding, singing, and...
The program is basically an all-volunteer group of Ohio birders. There are several bird species down here today that we've heard and seen. They are now beginning the breeding season, and they're singing and chasing each other around, and downy woodpeckers is one of them that there seem to be a fair number of down here today. This is the last year of the program.